So I just finished editing the vlog that you're about to watch, and I realized that I didn't really have a proper intro for it. So that's what this is. I just wanted to say welcome. The clip that you're about to watch is from Wednesday, September 4th, and it is now Friday the 13th, actually. I didn't vlog very much this week because honestly, I had a shitty week. There was just like, I don't know, stuff going on at work and just a bunch of annoying things going on, and I just wasn't feeling very good about myself. So bad week, didn't vlog, I'm sorry about that, but at least I have some footage from the week before, and I am gonna vlog this weekend. So I hope that you guys are looking forward to that. It should be fun. I have some things planned. But yes, enjoy this video. I'll see you soon. Hi vlog, just popping in to give a quick update. I'm actually on my way to this networking event. It's like a group of entrepreneur women that like meet up. It's a panel tonight. I think it's gonna be really cool, and it's super far out of my comfort zone. I'm really nervous, but I think it's gonna be really awesome. Hopefully I'll get some connects. Hopefully this means pop-up shops in Denver very soon. That's the goal, so yes. But I also just went on a second date with he who shall not be named, and it was really fun. And that's all I'm gonna say about it. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys after this little networking event and I'll update you. Bye.
Speak to that, please.
I do because like I honestly don't feel all that in around like people are gatekeepers or secret holders for some of their art forms throughout time. And I think for a long time we functioned that way.
Yeah.
Where you had figured something out and you held on to it and you like clamped down and you're like,
Okay, so I actually did film a clip after that networking event, but I was like really emotional after it, honestly, and I'm not gonna put myself looking like that or acting like that or crying on YouTube. So instead, I'm just gonna recap that now. Basically, the event was really, really dope. The group of women was super diverse, and they were all extremely intelligent and successful, but really real about their struggles and just really real in general. Yeah, I don't know, they were really inspiring to me. They were what I hope to be in the future, and I hope to make, you know, people in my position feel the way that they made me feel that night, because it was honestly like unmatched. I just felt like I could conquer anything because they did, and they don't, you know, they don't have any privilege. So if they can do it, we can do it, you know? If you believe in something and you want something, I just really hope that you know your worth and that you do it for yourself, because you deserve it, and I'm here to back you. So yeah, that was that event. Shout out the Bad News Babes Club of Denver. Y'all are really cool, and I'm excited to be a part of that. I just want to say, I just got back from a run, and if I can wake up at 4:15 in the morning and then work a 9-hour day and come home and go on a run, you can definitely work out. No excuses. Also, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. What's up, everyone? It's super bright right here, but oh well, I'm running with it. I just left this cool like local art expo that had a bunch of vendors that were selling like fashion, art, food, even like a bunch of really cool stuff, all handmade here in Denver, which I thought was really cool. I don't remember how I heard about it, literally on like Facebook or something, but I came to check it out. And there's also this thing in Denver going on right now called Crush Walls. And if you are from Florida, because I know obviously a lot of you are, it's kind of like Wynwood, where there's just a bunch of artists and they're all assigned a wall, and they basically just get to spray paint whatever they want on it. And there's some really cool stuff, and it's like right around the venue where this expo was. So I went there, I just like looked through all this stuff, ate some delicious fries that were topped with like hummus and hot sauce. They were so good. I'll post a picture of them here. And yeah, then I went and walked around the block for a while looking at all the walls, and it was really, really dope. It was super fascinating. These people are so talented, and yeah, it's really, really hot outside. My outfit's dope. I'm wearing like a white crop top, some hella baggy jeans, the ones from my Nasty Gal haul, and a gold chain belt with these really chunky earrings, sunglasses, and then I'm wearing my black purse with the gold chain strap, so I'm wearing that crossbody, so it's like gold chain everything. But yeah, talk to you later. Good evening, vlog. It is Monday evening and I just made dinner. It was absolutely delicious and I should have filmed it, but honestly, I made a taco yet again, and I'm just embarrassed that I make them all the time, so I didn't want to show my recipe for that, but it was really good. But I also was meal prepping, and so I did want to show you that because meal prepping is something I do really often. If I don't bring my lunch to work, chances are I'll get something really expensive and unhealthy, and it's just not good. So yes, this is what I've been up to. I used a serving of it in my taco tonight, so that's why it looks kind of sparse, but this will probably be like 2 or 3 servings, and then I have a little bit of like a little protein to go with each serving so that it's a more balanced meal. But I have some mini potatoes that I cut up, and all of this I just roasted on 400 for about probably like 18 minutes, and I stirred it around after about 10 minutes. So anyways, it's the potatoes, mushrooms, onion, and red bell pepper. And I also had a lot more red bell pepper and green bell pepper, but when I took them out of the fridge, I realized they had gone bad, and that was like the bulk of what I was gonna be making. That's why there's all this random frozen corn in there as well, because I was just trying to substitute for the peppers that I don't have. But it's okay, I made do, and I actually seasoned them with just like taco seasoning, which is so weird, I know, but it tastes so good with anything. So I use those vegetables many ways. I use them in tacos. Like tonight I had a tortilla with avocado spread across it, and that on top with a little bit of like veggie chorizo, just a little bit on top of that, and added some hot sauces to it, and that was absolutely delicious. But I also made those veggies the other night, and I used a tortilla again with some hummus. I use like a pine nut basil hummus, which is kind of weird, I know, but I used that. I spread it across and then added those veggies warmed up on top, and wrapped it up into like a little, you know, just hummus veggie wrap. It was absolutely delicious, and that's really healthy and high in protein. I will show you the tortillas I have because they're only 50 calories, which is like really good for tortilla. This is the tortilla brand I buy, and it's the carb counter. So yeah, they actually taste really good. I pretty much always heat them up. So yeah, you can use those veggies for a ton of different recipes, but that's just a couple that I've been using this week and that I'll use throughout the week. Just think mixing the veggies with some protein or a carb or a little bit of both is perfect. Hi, so it's me again. It's still Monday, and there are just a couple things that I've been thinking about that I wanted to fill you guys in on. Saturday, I spent the morning going up on my roof. Okay, people always make fun of how I say that. I spent the morning going up on my roof and I wanted to sunbathe originally, but I had some champagne in my fridge, so I was like, I might as well make a little mimosa and just like have a morning up there. And so it looked not even intimidating. I have this little ladder, so I brought this ladder out. I climbed up there. I thought I was gonna be chilling, and then, you know, it was tricky getting up there. I definitely, like, if the ladder was like 3 inches taller, I'd be so straight, but it just wasn't. So I had to like jump and like use a lot of my body weight, but I did it, you know, it was all good. And then I had to get down. I really shouldn't be sharing this. My mom is gonna be watching this like, you did what? I got up there. I had a nice little time to myself. It was really sunny and beautiful. I honestly think I got a little bit of a tan. I was up there for like an hour and a half or so. And then I decided to get down. And let me tell you, this is where things got tricky. I was not about to jump onto the ladder that I used to get up there because, like I said, I would have to like jump. I wouldn't be able to just like kind of swing down, and the ladder was not stable enough for me to jump onto. So whatever, let's just say I used a lot of upper body strength and skill, and I got down safely, no harm to me or anything around me. And I had a great little experience. That's how I started my day on Saturday. That was a long story, but it was pretty funny. I should have filmed that for sure. Yo, I'm on my way to Target, but I wanted to show you my outfit because I think it's kind of cute. Isn't it? These little corduroy pants. Just some slides. Shoe game could be stronger, but I don't know. I was just digging the fit, wanted to share. Hi vlog. So it is Thursday, September 12th, and I haven't vlogged very much this last week. I'm sorry about that. To be honest with you, I didn't have a very good week. Now let's talk about some random things, shall we? Like Young Thug's new album. It's not even new. It came out like right before my birthday. But it's so good, and I've been listening to it nonstop since then, which was like 3 weeks ago. Yeah, it was literally 3 weeks ago, and it's so good. And Young Thug is just like an incredible person. He literally never does interviews, and he did 2 interviews in the last month, so obviously I watched both of them. And I just learned a lot about him. I mean, I already knew kind of, you know, he's kind of like well known as a person in the hip hop industry, so I did kind of already know some basics, but just watching him speak during the interviews, I was like hella inspired because he's actually like extremely intelligent and hardworking and so fucking selfless. Like, we can all learn a thing or two about how much Thug cares about other people's success more than his own. I think it's the most incredible thing. So I just love hip hop so much. I made a new playlist. It's Jolene Smith on Spotify, and the playlist is called More Money. Go follow it. Go follow all my playlists because they are a fire, let's be real. But nah, that one's actually really bumping. So that's something that's been helping me get through the last couple weeks, because when the music's right, I feel right, you know? And I was in a music drought before that, so like I really needed this little spurt of some jams. I feel a little bit re-inspired with fashion too. I was going through a huge lull with that when I first moved here, but now that's getting better. I think I know what I want. I think I know how to work with what I've got. I'm wearing my Jordans today, and I feel like a bad bitch every time I wear them. I just think they're really cool. And yeah, I'm gonna go on a run now. I've wanted to vlog before I did, so I wasn't a sweaty mess. But I have been pretty consistent with working out still, which is a really big deal for me. Maybe I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe this is the end of the vlog. I don't know. Peace. Yo, so I'm on a run, and I go to this little park in my neighborhood every day and run because 4 laps is a mile. But look, they put goats in. Ah! It's so cute. Oh my God. So now when I run, the goats watch me. And I love them! Just as I did not film a proper intro, I did not film a proper outro. So thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.